It's a new 2023 BMW 3 Series. Epitomizing high performance, legendary design, and luxury, the iconic 3 Series serves as the benchmark of the segment it invented. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. BMW, the ultimate driving machine. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Welcome to Bill Jacobs BMW. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 2495 Aurora Avenue in Naperville, Illinois.